Hello, welcome. I am so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. This is your Easy English podcast.
My name is Giulia,
And my name is Jack.
and today we talk about your day.
Yes, your day in English. Easy English.
So, how was your day today? Do you know how to say this in English?
Maybe yes, maybe a little. Maybe you're not sure. That is okay.
That is totally okay. We are here to help you.
After this video, you will know many new sentences.
You will feel more confident, more comfortable in English.
So please, sit down, relax, and listen with us.
And before we start, please tap the like button right now.
Yes, and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a new video.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Okay, Julia, let's start at the beginning. The morning. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock, 7 in the morning.
7 o'clock. That's early.
Yes, and I use an alarm. My alarm rings every morning.
Me too. My alarm rings at 7:30.
Okay, friends, let's practice this together. I wake up at blank o'clock. Write your answer in the comments. What time do you wake up?
Now, the first thing. What is the first thing you do in the morning, Julia?
The first thing I do, I open my eyes.
Yes, that is very important.
And then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
I wash my face too. Cold water. It helps me wake up.
Yes, cold water is good. And then I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. Good. Say it with me. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning.
And Jack, what about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. I eat toast and eggs.
Oh, that sounds good. I drink coffee and I eat bread with butter.
Simple and nice. Very nice.
Breakfast is important. It gives you energy for the day.
Energy, yes. So friends, what do you eat for breakfast? Write in the comments. I eat blank for breakfast. I drink blank in the morning. I eat toast for breakfast. I drink coffee in the morning.
Great. Now, getting dressed. Do you choose your clothes the night before?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Sometimes I just look at my clothes and think,
Yes, me too. Some days I don't know what to wear.
I wear comfortable clothes. Simple, easy, nothing special on a normal day.
I like to wear nice clothes. It makes me feel good.
That is a great idea. I wear blank in the morning. I get dressed and I am ready to go. Okay, you are dressed, you had breakfast, now what? You leave the house.
Yes, but before you leave, you need some things. Very important things.
First, your keys. Where are your keys?
My keys. Always my keys. Sometimes I cannot find them.
Me too. And your phone. You need your phone.
Yes, keys, phone, bag. These are the three important things.
Say it with me. Keys, phone, bag. I am ready to go.
And sometimes, if it rains, you need an umbrella.
An umbrella. Yes. Do you always remember your umbrella?
No, I forget my umbrella all the time.
Me too. I always forget it on rainy days.
So, friends, what do you take with you every day? Write in the comments. Every day I take my blank with me.
Now, how do you go to work or school? By bus, by train, by car, by foot?
I go by bus. My bus stop is near my house.
I walk. I like to walk in the morning. It wakes up my brain.
Walking is nice. You see the city, you feel the fresh air.
Fresh air. Yes, I love that feeling. I go to work by bus. I walk to school.
How do you go to work or school? Write your answer below. Okay, now you are at work or at school. What do you do first?
I sit down. I put my bag on the chair. I open my computer.
And then the emails. Always the emails.
Yes, I read my emails first. There are always many emails.
And I make a list, a to-do list. I write what I need to do today.
A to-do list is very helpful. Do you make a to-do list? Yes, I make a to-do list. No, I don't make a list.
Now let's talk about a busy day. Sometimes you have a lot to do.
Yes, a busy day. You have many tasks, many things to finish.
On a busy day, I work hard. I try to finish everything.
Me too, but sometimes I feel tired, especially in the afternoon.
Yes, the afternoon is sometimes hard. Your energy goes down.
So, what do you do when you feel tired at work?
I drink water. I take a short break, just 5 minutes.
5 minutes. A short break is good for you.
Yes, you sit quietly, you breathe, and then you feel better.
I take a short break, I drink some water, I feel better.
Let's also talk about lunch. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat a sandwich and some fruit.
I eat lunch at 1:30. I usually eat rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
Thank you. I try.
I eat lunch at blank o'clock. What do you eat for lunch? Write in the comments.
Okay. After lunch, the afternoon. This is the second part of the workday.
Yes, in the afternoon, I have meetings. Do you have meetings?
Sometimes, yes. Meetings can be long.
Very long. But meetings are important too.
In a meeting, you talk with other people. You share ideas.
You listen, you ask questions, you make plans.
Do you like meetings?
Sometimes. Short meetings, yes. Very long meetings, no.
I agree with you. Do you like meetings? Write yes or no in the comments.
Now, what about hard days? Some days are very difficult.
Yes, some days you make mistakes. That is okay.
Everyone makes mistakes. It is normal.
The important thing is you learn from your mistakes.
Exactly. Learn and do better next time. I made a mistake today. It is okay. I will learn from it.
And some days are great days. Everything goes well.
Yes, I love those days. You finish everything, you feel happy.
You feel proud of yourself.
Proud, yes, that is a beautiful feeling. Today was a great day. I finished everything. I feel proud. Was today a good day or a hard day? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, friends, the workday is finished. Now you go home.
Yes, going home. This is my favorite part of the day.
Me too. When work is done, I feel so happy.
I take the bus home. The bus is full in the evening.
Yes, many people go home at the same time. The bus is crowded.
Crowded means many, many people, not much space. Say it with me. Crowded. The bus is crowded in the evening. Sometimes I listen to music on the bus. It helps me relax.
I look out the window. I watch the city.
That sounds nice. Very peaceful.
Yes, after a busy day, I like to be quiet for a little bit.
Quiet time is very important for your mind and your body. I listen to music on the bus. I relax.
And when I open my door and come inside,
Home sweet home.
I put my bag down, I take off my shoes.
And I change my clothes. I put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, I love wearing comfortable clothes at home.
Comfortable clothes are the best. I come home. I put my bag down. I change my clothes. What is the first thing you do when you come home? Write in the comments. Now, the evening. What do you do in the evening, Julia?
First, I make dinner, or sometimes I order food.
Huh, ordering food is easy and delicious.
Yes, sometimes I cook, sometimes I order. It depends on the day.
If I am very tired, I order. If I have energy, I cook.
That makes sense. Cooking takes time and energy.
What do you usually cook?
I like to make pasta or soup, simple things.
Simple and delicious. I like to make rice with chicken.
Ooh, that sounds good. Easy and healthy. In the evening, I cook dinner. I make pasta. Tonight, I ordered food. I was very tired. What do you eat for dinner? Tell us. Write in the comments.
And after dinner, what do you do?
I relax. I watch TV or I watch videos on my phone.
Me too. I love to watch a good show in the evening.
Sometimes I call my family or I talk to a friend.
That is very nice. Talking to family is important.
Yes, it makes you feel warm inside.
Do you read books?
Sometimes I like to read before I sleep. It helps me feel calm.
Calm, relaxed, ready for sleep. After dinner, I watch TV. I feel relaxed. I call my family. We talk for a little bit.
Okay, the last part of the day, bedtime.
Bedtime, my favorite time.
What time do you go to sleep, Jack?
I go to sleep at 10:30, maybe 11 o'clock.
I try to sleep at 10 o'clock, but sometimes it's 11 or 12.
Yes, sometimes you watch one more video and then one more.
And suddenly it is midnight.
Yes, we all do this.
But sleep is so important. Good sleep equals good energy the next day.
Exactly. So try to sleep early. Your body will say thank you. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. What time do you go to sleep? Write your answer below.
Before I sleep, I brush my teeth, I wash my face.
Me too. Clean face, clean teeth, then in bed.
And then I close my eyes and I sleep. Good night.
Good night. That is a great end to a great day. Good night. I go to sleep now.
Okay, friends, now we review the words from today. Are you ready?
Let's go through them together, slowly. Easy.
Wake up, to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Brush my teeth, to clean your teeth with a brush tooth.
I brush my teeth every morning.
Get dressed, to put on your clothes.
I get dressed and I'm ready to go.
Commute, to travel to work or school.
I commute by bus.
To-do list, a list of things you need to do.
I make a to-do list in the morning.
Take a break, to stop working for a short time.
I take a short break in the afternoon.
Crowded, full of many people.
The bus is crowded in the evening.
Relax, to rest and feel calm.
I relax at home after work.
Go to sleep, to start sleeping.
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Great job! These are your words for today.
Try to use them this week, in real life, with real sentences.
Every time you use a new word, you get better. That is how it works.
Now, let's practice together. I will ask questions, you answer.
Yes, speak out loud. Don't be shy. You can do it. What time do you wake up? Model answer. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at blank o'clock.
How do you go to work or school? Model answer. I go to work by bus. I go to school by blank.
What do you eat for lunch?
Model answer. I eat a sandwich and some fruit.
I eat blank for lunch.
What do you do in the evening? Model answer. I watch TV and I relaxed at home.
In the evening, I blank.
What time do you go to sleep? Model answer. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
I go to sleep at blank.
Excellent. You did amazing. Really, really great. Now, write your answers in the comments. Let us read them. Answer one of the above questions in the comments. We will reply. Okay, friends, that is the end of today's episode.
You did so well today. Really, really well.
You learned how to talk about your morning,
Your commute, your workday,
your lunch,
your evening.
your bedtime.
You learned 9 new words and many sentences.
That is a lot. You should feel proud.
So remember, use these sentences this week. Talk about your day in English every day.
Every small step is progress. Every sentence makes you better.
And we're here to help you every step of the way.
So, please tap the like button if this video helped you.
And subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
We post new videos every week. Easy English, real conversations.
And don't forget to write in the comments. Tell us about your day.
We love reading your messages. They make us very happy. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
This is Jack.
This is Giulia.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Have a beautiful day.